Hello everyone. Today, here is a video made by Mrunal and Sana of T.Y Biotech from Fergusson College. In this video, we are going to talk about CAR T cell therapy, which is an emerging immunotherapy. It is also an alternative used instead of chemotherapy and radiation therapy. So without wasting any further time, let's watch this video.
T cells are a type of white blood cells that patrol our body to fight infections. T cells are formed in bone marrow and matured in thymus, where they are taught to differentiate between self and non-self. All cells have proteins on their surface called as antigens. Some antigens are tumor specific for certain cancers. The antigens are present specially on the cells. The T cells have receptors on their surface which are uniquely designed to latch on antigens of the cancerous cells. T cells kill the tumor cells by injecting some toxins called as cytokinins, which is a pretty amazing system. The tumor cells are smart, and with every division their genes get mutated.
In some cancerous cells, there is a change in the structure of receptors, or else the number of the receptors on the cell surface increase abnormally. Since the cancerous cells are masters at disguising themselves, the T cells are deceived and continue their patrol. The T cells cannot recognize them anymore. The number of these devil cells increases and there is uncontrolled proliferation. The T cells recognize the mass of cells as normal and do not kill them. To kill these tumor cells, radiation therapy is suggested, which includes the use of X rays and gamma rays. Patients suffering from blood or lymph related cancers sometimes do not respond to this kind of therapies. In some patients, radiation and chemotherapy are given in alternate courses. Some patients do not respond to chemotherapy due to chemorefractory disease. Researchers ask themselves, what if we could reprogram the T cells which can break through the cancerous defenses? And that is what CAR T cell therapy is all about. Finally, researchers found a novel way. So in a nutshell, doctor takes blood of the patient and sends it to the lab for further processing.
The lab technician separates the T cells from the blood sample. The lab technician uses a modified and inactive virus and lets this virus infect the healthy T cells. The virus infects the T cells and viral genome gets incorporated into the host genome. Now, it starts to make viral proteins that reassemble to make receptors that lay the formation of Chimeric Antigen Receptors, also known as the CARs. The modified T cells are now known as CAR T cells, as they express the CARs on their surfaces. Now, the CAR T cells are infused in blood. The blood is now administered to the patient by the doctor.
The modified T cells, also known as CAR T cells, can recognize the tumor cells as lethal. They kill the tumor cells by attaching the CARs to the receptors of the tumor cells. CAR T cells release toxins that lead to the destruction of the tumor cells. These toxins are called as cytokinins that kill the cancerous cells. They are a large group of proteins, peptides, or glycoproteins that are secreted by specific cells of the immune system. They are a category of signaling molecules that mediate and regulate immunity, inflammation, and hematopoiesis. This type of immunotherapy also has some side effects which make the patient feel sick. Many patients experience a typical case of bad flu. Some patients also report cases of nausea and dizziness. Some experience more severe symptoms like confusion, seizure, or stroke like symptoms.
The patients experiencing severe symptoms are advised to stay near a hospital or a check-in one. Thank you for watching. We hope you like it. For better explanation, we have taken an example of a fictitious case study. Please read the blog. Thank you.